Hi, and welcome to the first video of 6 in the document review series. In this series, you will learn how to use different Melo features to review and edit your document. These include tracking changes, adding comments, sorting document elements, spell checking, applying markers to text, and viewing document information. Remember that this series does not include big features that have a separate series of their own, such as indexing and find and replace. When you complete this series, you should have enough tools to properly review and edit your documents, making sure they are ready and complete. In this video, you will learn about Melo's Track Changes feature, how to activate it, how to review and handle track changes, and how to configure the name and color that are associated with the changes you make. First, let's talk about the Track Changes feature. This feature enables you to track changes in the document so that you can review those changes and decide if you want to incorporate them in the document or discard them. It's a useful feature if you work in collaboration with others and need to review their changes. Tracked changes are marked in the document area. Added elements appear in your selected color, while removed elements are crossed over. More information regarding the tracked changes is displayed in these bubbles in the annotations pane to the left of the document area. The bubble includes a location arrow, which points at the document location where the change was made, the name of the user who performed the change, and when the change was made. It also tells you the type of change. It can be an insert, delete, or style change. You can also see what was changed exactly. Not all the changes you make in a document are tracked. As a useful rule of thumb, Melo will track just about any editing or styling change, but it will not track changes to saved styles. Refer to the user manual for a complete list of changes that are tracked. Now, let's learn how to use this feature. To activate track changes, choose Edit Track Changes, Activate Track Changes from the menu bar, or press Ctrl-Command-T. The Track Changes bar is displayed, and Melo will track and mark any changes you make to the document from this point onwards, be it deleting elements, inserting new elements, or changing existing ones. Do the same action to deactivate track changes. If any changes were tracked, Melo will prompt you to decide whether to accept them, reject them, or return to manually review them. If you only wish to momentarily stop tracking changes without accepting or rejecting all current changes, click the Pause button in the Track Changes bar or press Ctrl-Command-P. The button is highlighted in red when track changes is paused. So how do you review tracked changes? First, you should know that they are displayed in the annotations pane to the left of your document, and you can show or hide the pane by clicking this button. When the pane is shown, it will display tracked changes. When it is hidden, tracked changes are marked in the document area using gray vertical changes for style changes or black vertical lines for insertions or deletions. It is important to know that when the annotations pane is shown, it will be included with the document when it is printed or exported. This means that the document view is scaled down to allow room for the pane to be displayed. To navigate between tracked changes, you can either use the arrows in the Track Changes bar, choose Edit, Track Changes, Next or Previous Change, or press Ctrl-Command and the up or down arrow. If you have multiple authors working on the same document, you can use the Author pop-up menu to only show changes made by your selected author. Finally, Melo can display track changes in different ways. Use the Display Mode pop-up menu to choose your preferred option. Choosing Original will show the text in its original form before any changes were made. Only changes to style are displayed, while insertions or deletions are hidden. When you make any changes, the display mode automatically changes to the next option, which is Show Changes. This option shows the text with all changes marked. Choosing Final displays the text in its final version as if all the changes were accepted. And finally, choosing Final with Markup displays the text with additions highlighted and deletions marked. When reviewing track changes, you can determine whether to accept them, which incorporates them into the document, or reject them, which discards the changes. To handle a track change, hover over it and select the tick icon to accept it or the X icon to reject it. MELL indicates what user made what changes by using different author names and colors. To configure your own author name and color, choose MELL Preferences from the menu bar and click the Document Setup tab. Now, type in your preferred name in the username text box and use the User Color pop-up menu to choose your preferred color. These changes will only take effect the next time you activate Track Changes and will not change any existing tracked changes. So this concludes this video. You should now be able to activate the Track Changes feature and to review and handle changes in your document. We definitely recommend that you view and try the corresponding tutorial to practice what you've just learned. So go ahead, click the link below and give it a try. So what's next? In the next video, you will learn how to add comments when reviewing MELL documents. We hope you've enjoyed this video and appreciate your feedback, so go ahead and leave a comment on the video. Bye!